Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about Newton's laws of motion. I'm just going to try to explain it as best as I can with these pretty cool examples. Cue the science music and let's get right into this. Newton's first law of motion is the law of inertia. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This law is often called the law of inertia. So this basically means objects are just going to keep doing what they do best, and that's do what they do. And my example for this is this beautiful golf ball just kind of sitting here, and it's doing what's doing, and that's being at rest because there are no forces acting upon it that cause it to change its inertia, I guess. So then I tip the thing up, and then all of a sudden it rolls, and that's me acting upon the I'm acting upon the ball and making it move. So, the second law of motion. Newton's second law is acceleration is produced when force acts on mass. The greater the mass of an object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. So, this is basically saying that heavier objects move the same distance as lighter objects, but they require more force to move. So, here I've got a golf ball and a foosball, and I have the same little dealie. Although the foosball has less mass, it will continue going at the same speed as the golf ball. So I'm going to just go on to Newton's third law. So this one, basically, in its simplest, purest...
Drunkest, angriest, loudest, stupidest, dumbest, most crippled, most insane, most angriest
form. So it's trying to say when you push an object, it pushes back. Now, so this one's always kind of hard to understand for me, but my example is here's me riding my bike. No, not that. Here we go. Yeah. So here I am riding my bike, and I'm getting a certain amount of speed. And then all of a sudden, I hit the brakes. When A applies force to B, then B applies an equal but opposite force to A. So when I apply a force from my brakes to my bike, then my bike will apply the same amount of force to my brakes. So, yeah, that's how I'm going to explain Newton's third laws of motion.
Let me give you the fast version. And then I can get the seat as soon as I can. There. If you have any questions, just remember what I said in slow motion.
Hey, baby girl. You like my bike?